So there was a farmer, he has a cow. Whenever he always went to his field, cow was always with him. Whenever he was cutting the grass, he always threw it towards the cow and cow started to eat it. One day when he was cutting the crop, he saw that three people came and they said to him that his cow was beautiful and it gives milk, so they have need of that cow. He was asked to sell it, but he refused. Next day, when he was present in his home with his wife, suddenly there was a knock at the door. He went there and same three men were present there. They requested him again, but he refused. After a week, his cow was misplaced. He searched for him, but someone told him that it has been stolen by three people. He was confused, and in his mind, idea came that he will go to ask these three people who came to buy it. When he reached there, he saw that they were present in Otak, a guest house, where he started to speak with them. He was in anger, so he shouted. When he started shouting at them, they stood up and said that they hadn't stolen his cow. But he was not to believe them. He didn't accept them that whatever they were saying was correct or wrong. Villagers came and they also witnessed that they hadn't stolen his cow. So he went back home. After 3 days, he went to police station and registered a FIR. When first investigation report was submitted, a station housekeeper officer came and he arrested them. After 15 days, his cow returned back home, and he was surprised at that moment. His relatives also told him that these people who were arrested, they were good and their reputation was also best, and no one can believe that they can steal his cow. He was ashamed and he went to a police station and requested that he has been withdrawn from the FIR and they must be released. So they came back home. Next day, he was thinking that who has stolen his cow. He asked from everyone, but no one has told. One day, when he was present in his crop, an old lady came and told him that she was present at home. Her village was afar from his village, so she started telling him that she saw that cow and she chained it in her home. He was happy, but now guilt appears in his heart, and he went these three people to request that they must forgive him. And he also given them his cow. So whenever you are thinking that you can blame anyone without any proof or without thinking that what impact will it create on the life of others, then you are always wrong. But many people don't think that they are correct or wrong, because whenever there is a need of becoming a enemy, so no one thinks that whatever he is saying or blaming on others, it is correct or wrong.